Okay, so if you see a small trench there, and then it comes down all the way here, and similarly if you see a pipe that's been cut into half, or that's how it's been made, and it comes down and it comes into this water thingy, goes in, you can see it's full, and once it gets full there's a small pipe that drains into this small one, and once these two gets filled it automatically gets overflowed. But once you've collected it, you can get the water from there, open the tap and get it from there. But at the moment I'm dipping it from here and pouring it here, and once you have filled it, it's all ready to be watered. It's pretty simple. Oh, by the way, this is the mint leaf, pudina leaves. It doesn't taste as much strong as the Indian one. There it is, small little garden. Okay, hope you like it. Cheers, bye.